I'm excited to announce to you that one of the generals of God is coming into Ghana once again. Dr. Maurice Cerullo, who has preached God's word over 60 years on the nations of the world. He will be in action the 21st of November 2011 for one night for the Prophetic Financial Summit, where he will speak to you and I prophetically about God's prophetic agenda concerning your finances and my finances for end-time commissions and end-time assignment. You cannot miss it. It's just one night with Dr. Maurice Cerullo and his team coming to you and I here in Action Chapel International at the Prayer Cathedral of the Spintex Road. You can't miss it. Your life will never be the same again, and I dare you to attend these meetings and you'll be glad you came. Remember, it's with Dr. Maurice Cerullo, 21st of November, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. here at Action Worship Center. God bless you, and I'll see you there.